no idea that even though you maybe have a performance that you're not so happy with, or you forgot a lyric, or these kinds of things, it's totally not important for me, because what I look at is something that reflects on what we do here and what I take home. Last year I was in Italy here, and the next morning, this morning, it was for me the inspiration. I have to do more choir work with youth. Because with youth groups, working I don't do so much, but you are so inspiring for me. You inspire me every day. Like I come home and man, what these kids do, man. So thank you for that inspiration, actually. So the concert yesterday was all truly inspirational for me. So thank you for that, to see your choir sing. And I also want to give a big hand to all the teachers who worked very hard to sing with you. They all start in this note. Super, 1, 2.